Good morning or wherever you are. I'm going to do a mug sublimation video. This is a design somebody has ordered. Actually, this design has been ordered quite a bit, and I'm going to make this for the customer now. So let's get a printout. Got two side by side just in case, and now I'm going to invert the image and get the printer to print it out for me. Let's go ahead and select the printer. There we go. Design is here. Let's get it on a mug. Right, so I'm just going to take one of the two designs. They both look very decent. Okay, I'm going to take this one and get the mug out and put this on the mug. Right. Take the mug, have a look on it. Yeah, it looks fairly clean. Clean it off camera. Okay. Right, so it's going to be held like this. The design needs to go on this side, right? So yeah, this is where it should go. Let me get the tape going. The lead press is ready, so now I'm going to take out the placeholder and put in the project mug gently in the lead press. Hold it and on the timer. And we wait. Right, just waiting for the mug temperature to come up to 375 again. Okay, it's back at the temperature. So now I'll take it out of the press. Okay, looks good, looks good. Looks good enough. Put it in a second big press for about 10 seconds at the temperature. Okay, about. The reason I'm doing a second press on it is to just make sure that the transfer from the paper is complete. So let's take it out. Okay, it's done. Looks good. Should we do a review? Sorry, as usual, I'm too impatient to find gloves. But don't do this, kids. Wear gloves. Amazing. Amazing. I'm very satisfied with this. What do you think? It's done. I'm very happy with the results. I'm going to leave it here to cool down before I package it and send it off to the customer. I hope you like this video. I thought I just put this up. I know I did a mug sublimation video before, but I thought let's make a video about this and put it up so people can see it and give me their opinions about what the work I'm doing. If you have anything to say, please don't hesitate to comment, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channels as I'll be putting up more videos like this in future. Thank you and take care. Goodbye.